Looking to make everyday life easier and a lot more fun? These cool and popular Amazon gadgets are the kind everyone can't stop talking about. From smart home upgrades to oddly satisfying tools, they're designed to save time and spark that wow factor. All products you see are linked in the description, and for anyone watching on TV, just scan the QR code on screen to shop while you watch. Never overcook your eggs again with this smart egg timer. Just place it in the pan with your eggs and watch the red face change color as they cook. It shows every stage, from soft to hard, by measuring temperature, not just time. It even adjusts for the number of eggs and water level. Simple, precise, and foolproof, it guarantees perfectly boiled eggs every time. Dry your clothes fast, even in small spaces, with this portable mini dryer. It uses heat and airflow to get garments dry in as little as 50 minutes, perfect for apartments, RVs, or travel. The built-in LED UV adds a layer of cleanliness while keeping your clothes fresh. Whisper quiet and timer controlled, it won't disturb your home or routines. Lightweight, compact, and easy to set up, it's the ultimate solution for fast, hassle-free laundry anywhere. Bring your plants to life with this smart AI flower pot. It monitors water levels, light, temperature, and even responds to touch with cute gestures and expressions. The self-priming water tank keeps your desk dry while letting your plant thrive for over 10 days without watering. You can customize photos, GIFs, or videos on its screen, making it feel like a digital companion. Perfect for home or office, it turns plant care into a fun, interactive experience. So if you want your plants happy and interactive, scan the QR on screen. Never fumble in the dark again with this rechargeable motion sensor nightlight. It lights up automatically when it detects movement, making it perfect for bedrooms, bathrooms, nurseries, or hallways. Switch to constant light or use it as a flashlight, whatever you need. Soft, warm LED light creates a cozy, safe environment while saving energy. Compact and portable, it charges quickly and lasts for weeks, so you can take it anywhere. Put out candles safely and elegantly with this Swedish-style automatic extinguisher ring. Just adjust the ring to fit your candle, clip the needle to the wick, and let it do the work. No blowing required. Made from polished stainless steel, it's durable, fireproof, and rust-resistant. The kit comes with 8 snuffers neatly stored in a box, perfect for taper candles. Stylish and practical, it keeps your candles safe while adding a touch of gold to your home. So if you want safer, hassle-free candle nights, scan the QR on screen. Movie nights just got a healthy upgrade with this air popcorn maker. It pops fluffy, delicious popcorn without any oil, so you can snack guilt-free. The included measuring cup doubles as a butter-melting tray, and the recipe guide helps you get creative. Compact and stable, it fits neatly on your countertop. In just minutes, you've got theater-style popcorn ready to enjoy at home. Level up your content creation with this all-in-one creator kit. The Fun Shot Grip gives you a wireless shutter button and secure hold, while the magnetic selfie light adds perfect illumination with a 360-degree rotatable design. Everything snaps on magnetically to iPhone or Android phones, making setup instant and hassle-free. Use the grip and light separately or together for endless creative possibilities. Compact and travel-friendly, it's ideal for selfies, TikToks, Zoom calls, or on-the-go filming. Turn every shower into a spa experience with this 8-bar heated towel warmer. It quickly warms up to 8 towels at once, keeping them dry, fresh, and cozy. The built-in timer and temperature control make it safe and energy efficient. Wall-mount it with a hardwired or plug-in setup for a sleek look. Made from durable stainless steel with a matte black finish, it adds modern luxury to any bathroom. So if you want warm towels waiting every time, scan the QR on screen. Take your labeling game to the next level with this mini thermal printer. Just connect via Bluetooth and print labels for clothes, cables, jewelry, folders, or anything you need. No ink required. The companion app comes with hundreds of templates, or you can create your own for a personal touch. OCR technology even converts text from photos into editable labels in seconds. Compact, portable, and easy to use, it's perfect for home, office, or small business organization. Make mouthwash a hands-free experience with this automatic dispenser. Just choose one of 3 dispensing levels, place the cup, and the sensor releases the perfect amount. No spills, no waste. The magnetic cup stays dry and clean upside down when not in use. USB rechargeable, it runs for months on a single charge, so you never worry about batteries. Wall mount it, or keep it on the counter for a tidy, modern bathroom setup. So if you want a cleaner, more effortless bathroom routine, scan the QR on screen. Never get caught with a dead phone again. This mini keychain charger slips right onto your keys and gives your phone a quick 30 to 40% boost in emergencies. With a built-in USB-C connector, you just plug and charge, no extra cables needed. Ultra compact and lightweight, it fits in your pocket or bag so you're always ready. Perfect for travel, work, or daily life. It keeps your devices powered whenever you need them. Keep your floors looking perfect with these square chair leg protectors. Made from thick silicone with a built-in felt pad, they prevent scratches, reduce noise, and make moving furniture effortless. Unlike regular pads, the felt won't fall off because it's molded right into the silicone. They stretch to fit square legs snugly and can be reused after washing. Perfect for chairs, stools, and cabinets, they protect your floors while making life a little quieter. Tired of buzzing flies ruining your space? This electric fly trap makes indoor pest control effortless. Just add sugar water or soft crumbs to the bait stations, and the rotating arms sweep flies into the collection tray. It works quietly in kitchens, bedrooms, or even near garbage, keeping your home pest-free. Safe and chemical-free, it's perfect for anyone who wants a hassle-free way to deal with flying insects. Emptying the tray is simple, so you can enjoy a fly-free environment with no fuss. Meet the robot companion that's full of personality. Eilic reacts to your touch with a world of emotions. Tap the head, belly, or back, and watch it respond differently each time. You can lift it, poke it, or just sit back and enjoy its playful antics. When 2 or more Eilics meet, they chat, play, or even have tiny quarrels. It's like a little social world on your desk. Always learning new tricks and games, Eilic is ready to entertain you anytime, no Wi-Fi required. Stop struggling with unreliable charging and slow connections. This multi-tool cleaning kit brings your phone, tablet, and laptop back to life. Use the specialized tools to clear dust, lint, and grime from USB-C ports and cables. No needles. No risk of damage. It even restores oxidized or blackened pins, so your devices charge like new. Plus, you can clean speakers, switches, and surfaces, keeping all your tech working perfectly. So if you want your devices charging like they should, scan the QR on screen. Keep an eye on your property without worrying about power or wiring. This solar security camera kit tracks the sun automatically, keeping itself charged all day long. Dual 3K cameras give sharp, wide, and detailed views, even at night with color vision. Local storage holds tons of footage with no monthly fees. Quick to install and built to withstand weather, it's a smart, reliable way to protect your home. Give your room a futuristic twist with this grenade-shaped humidifier. It doesn't just look cool, it adds moisture to the air, keeping your space comfortable and fresh. The sleek design doubles as a modern decor piece, perfect for bedrooms, offices, or study rooms. Small but striking, it's a playful gadget that sparks conversation while improving your environment. Ideal for tech lovers or anyone who enjoys unique, functional decor. So if you want your space to look cooler and feel better, scan the QR on screen. Snipping thread doesn't have to slow you down. These finger-worn thread cutters keep a sharp blade right where you need it. Just slip one on and trim yarn, thread, or line in a quick motion without reaching for scissors. They're lightweight, comfortable, and easy to use, even during long projects. Perfect for sewing, knitting, or crafting on the go. They make every cut faster and more convenient. Take your entertainment anywhere without sacrificing quality. This portable smart TV folds into a compact briefcase, making it perfect for travel, parties, or outdoor fun. The 27-inch screen adjusts for the perfect viewing angle, while built-in 3D speakers deliver rich sound. Android OS lets you stream movies, play games, or mirror your phone with ease. With a long-lasting battery and multiple modes, it's a complete entertainment system wherever you go. Tiny clippers can make nail trimming harder than it needs to be. This extra-large nail clipper is designed for steady control and clear visibility. The built-in magnifier flips into place so you can see exactly where you're cutting, reducing slips and strain on your eyes. Sharp blades glide through thick nails with less effort. It's comfortable to hold, simple to use, and makes everyday nail care feel safe and stress-free again. So if you want easier, more confident nail care, scan the QR on screen. Ever lose something and swear it vanished into thin air? This key finder puts an end to the daily search. Just press a button on the remote, and the tag starts beeping with a bright flash to guide you right to it. No phone, no apps, no setup stress. The signal works through walls and cushions, so hiding spots don't stand a chance. Attach the tags and find your stuff in seconds. Messy taco nights are officially over. This tortilla sealer presses your wraps shut in one smooth motion, keeping fillings exactly where they belong. The crimped edge locks everything in tight, so sauces don't leak while cooking or eating. You can use it for tacos, quesadillas, dumplings, or stuffed sandwiches. It's simple to use, easy to clean, and turns homemade meals into a fun, hands-on experience you'll actually enjoy. So if you're tired of fillings falling out, scan the QR on screen. Outlets hiding behind furniture are one of the most annoying home problems. This adjustable outlet extender brings power exactly where you need it, without moving a thing. It stretches outward and rotates, so you can position it vertically, horizontally, or anywhere in between. You get regular plug sockets plus USB charging, letting you power multiple devices at once. Just plug it in, stick it in place, and finally charge your devices without crawling on the floor. Stairs don't stand a chance against this powerhouse mover. This electric stair climbing dolly takes the strain out of hauling heavy furniture and appliances. A built-in motor does the hard work for you, helping loads glide upstairs and over rough ground with steady control. The ergonomic handle and simple buttons let you operate it confidently on your own. If you move bulky items often, this turns a back-breaking job into a smooth, one-person task. So if you're done wrestling heavy loads, scan the QR on screen. Opening a bottle of wine shouldn't feel like a workout. This electric wine opener uses a smart needle system to slide through the cork without breaking it apart. One needle helps pour smoothly, while the other controls air pressure to keep everything clean and effortless. With a simple one-button design, you get the cork out in seconds. The vacuum seal helps keep leftover wine fresh, so you can enjoy it again later without losing flavor. So if you want effortless wine nights with zero mess, scan the QR on screen. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.